So I'm representing the Free Walkative Tour organization, which was started here in Poland, here in Krakow 11 years ago. We believe that Krakow is one of the most interesting places you can see in Poland, so this is why we have a lot of different tours in here. So the Old Town, the Jewish Krakow tour around the Jewish quarter and the ghetto, but apart from that we guide tours to many different other areas of the city. We have tours about Polish cuisine. We have tours about Polish alcohol, so food and vodka tour and the beer tour. We have those tours which are really specific, like the macabre tour about ghost serial killers. It's around the old town of Krakow, but it's a totally different story of the center. This is a tour in which you're gonna learn a lot about real scary events which happened here, and also something about the past, about the executions here in Krakow, about vampires which were buried in here, many other different stories. So I hope that you're going to be interested in the offer we have. Please remember, the majority of tours we do are free walking tours, so they are tip-based. So when you are on your holidays, you can be relaxed about the hours, you can be relaxed about joining us and having fun, I hope, here.